Yeah, I forgot. I haven't spoken Tagalog because the Buhol did you not forget. Buhol just teach me Tagalog. Like, luto mo ako ng eggnog. Like that. If you are, Tagalog, shout out to them because they're not actually Asian. Because they do not look like Asian. They are actually kind of white and brown, but the Asian people are white and a lot of brown. Not literally a little brown, like literally big brown. The big brown, you know. You know what I'm talking about? Hello! Oh no, it's actually nighttime. Holy smoke! What's that? What the? I didn't mean to. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Whoa! Those zombies cheating. They cheated. How many zombies? Looking not okay. You're such an idiot. Hi, smokes. I can't even do that anymore. Like, that's why. They were coming there to eat my brain, so. Oh my god, there's a lot of. No! Fuck. What the heck? I'm gonna just. I'm, I'm afraid you are dead. I mean, I'm dead. Okay, shut up. You can't. Hey, stupid zombies. Boom! Oh no. 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 Why do they have like cyber? Come on, idiot. You bitch. Little bitches. Oh, I have played this game. Oh, I have played this map. I'm such an idiot. Whoa. Who cares, Patrick? What pow? Oh, yeah. Yes. You know, my brother loves to do this. It's a secret about him. He loves to do this. Yeah. Shut up. Shut up. Oh, okay. Time to shine. Ooh. Ooh. Hacha! Hacha! No, no! No, 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 no! They all target me because I'm in this. Idiot. 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 Oh! Yeah. No, I have come down here. I'm actually kind of scared to go down here. Okay. Oh, there's the girl. That is Bacon Hair, aka not a noob. Duh, Danny. They are not noobs. They're just nice and friendly. Just don't call them noobs, or else I will ban you when I'm making a game because I can. Watch out, what the hell? Ah! The fuck? Oh, this is I wish it was a minigun! You little bitch. Oh, this has got to be this. Ooh, a new gun. This is kind of cool. Wow! Wow. Whoa, that guy scared me. I'm shooting, but it's actually auto shoot so I can kill him. I'm sad. Hey, can someone just did the thing. When you were a kid that you didn't know part 6 and the guy says at the end what? Why do they even do that? Can I kill someone with the sapa? Stop it. You're kidding me. I don't want to. Bobby. Narrator. Just kidding. I have so much kills. I have 9, 7, 2 kills. What the heck? I have 972 kills. What? You almost eaten my headphones. That is connected to a mic. Shut up. Okay, I have never killed someone with this stupid gun. Look at this. How much money or points? I can't even get it. I hate this. You know what? I'm gonna just what to do? Hacha! Hey, come here, little bitches! Hacha! Whatcha! Whatcha! What? How did you do that? Whatcha! Hey, watcha! Can't even see anything because of this sun. I always do videos early and late I can't say anything with this. Ah! That was actually my scream, not the idiot. Oh my god, this stupid idiot. Not the sun idiot. Stupid. Are you stupid or dumb or rich? Shut up, my dad is looking at me. If it's at 11, yeah, so yeah, that's the end of the video. Like and sub. See you next time. Bye bye.